power washing your detail crack, you want to get right into the crack with the power washer. Make sure you're blasting out any dirt, dust, debris, anything that's left in that crack. Once that dries, we're going to hit it with the denatured alcohol just to give it another layer of protection to make sure that we are cleaned out before we're applying the primer, the face cream.